In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove credit debit card from Steam. First, make sure you're on your computer and launch the Steam client. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your account so the app can load your personal settings. Taking a moment here ensures you're working in the right place and the right profile. Once Steam opens, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see your username there. Click it to open a small menu, and choose Account Details. This takes you to your account management area, where all your store and purchase settings live. If the page looks a little busy, don't worry, we're only using a small section of it. On the Account Details page, scroll until you reach the section labeled Store Purchase History. This is where Steam keeps links to your payment information. Depending on your version of the client, you might see a link called Manage Payment Methods. If you do, click it to go straight to your saved payment options. If that link isn't there, you'll typically see your saved cards listed directly in this area. Either way, you're in the right place when you can view the payment methods connected to your account. Now, find the credit or debit card you want to remove. Take a second to double-check you're selecting the correct one, especially if you've saved more than one card. When you've located it, click the option labeled Delete or Remove next to that card. Steam will ask you to confirm, and it's important to read that prompt. Removing a payment method is permanent for that card entry, and you'll need to add it again later if you decide you want to use it. Go ahead and confirm to finalize the removal. That's all it takes. If you have more than one card to clean up, repeat the same steps for each one. After this, Steam will no longer use the removed card for purchases, and you'll be prompted to choose or add another payment method the next time you buy something. If you plan to make a purchase soon, it can be helpful to set up your preferred payment option right after you remove the old one so checkout is seamless later. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.